In today's episode of Brick and Bold Customer App, where you can track construction progress, access policies, contracts, documents, floor plans, gallery, working and payment schedules, quality check reports, raise tickets and connect with the team at a click of a button. We will explore how accessing documents and digital twin would be convenient and beneficial for you. Under Documents, you'll be able to access all relevant documents specific to your project, from agreements to 470 plus quality checks that we do to soil test reports and floor plans, everything under one roof. Your soil test report would give you complete details on tests performed on your plot and the analysis based on soil composition, load-bearing capacity, moisture content, pH value, chemical properties, compaction, percolation rate, and presence of contaminants, if any. Everything needed to make a well-informed decision before laying the foundation of your QASCON is Brick and Bold's trademark quality assessment system for construction, and this documents the 470 plus unique quality checks that we do on each of our projects at various stages before it's finally handed over to you. After all the iterations and customization, if you give us the go-ahead on the floor plan, it will appear as accepted. Inside, you can view the finalized floor plan for each floor, complete room layout and dimensions, door, window and wall placements, stairs and elevators, appliances and fixtures and structural elements. Right after the floor plan, you can further probe into the literal digital twin of your home. This basic elevation is a 3D expansion of your floor plan, which you can view from any angle and check out internally, floor by floor, and it equally covers room, layouts, doors, windows, wall, staircase, placements, open areas, and terrace. In the next episode of this series, we will explore 2 more features of Brick and Bold Customer App. If you like what you saw, drop us a like or comment. And if you are new to Brick and Bold and are exploring home construction options, check out the link in description or call us directly.